Hello, fellow coders. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a C program that counts frequency of each word in a given input string. It's a great exercise to understand string manipulation, arrays, and basic algorithm in C. Here's the program we'll be exploring. It reads a string, processes to it count how many times each word appears, and then displays the results in alphabetical order. First, we have toLower function. This function takes a character as input and converts it to lowercase if it's an uppercase letter. This ensures that our word counting in case insensitive. Next is the isLetter function. It checks if a character is a letter, ignoring numbers, punctuation, and spaces. This helps us focus only on alphabetic characters when performing words. In the main function, we declare an array input to store the user's input string. We use fgets to read the input, which safely handles spaces and prevent buffer overflow. Now, we process the input character by character. If a character is a letter, we add it to a temporary buffer. When we encounter a non-letter character, we treat it as the end of a word. Before adding a new word to our list, we check if it's already present. If it is, we increment its counts. If not, we add this a new entry. Once all words are processed, we sort them alphabetically using a simple bubble sort algorithm. This ensures our output is neatly organized. Finally, we print each word alongside its frequency, formatted neatly as easy reading. So let's check. Let's run the program. Let's see the program in action. Given the input, yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. The output will be, uh, yeah, one, you, one, got, one, that. Yeah, one, and the last yummy, four. As you can see, the program correctly counts and displays the frequency of each word. This program is a great starting point for each analysis task. It can be extended to handle punctuation, numbers, and even process entire text files. It's also a good exercise in understanding arrays, loops, and string manipulation in C. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this breakdown helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comment below. Happy coding!